Yeah, what a pleasure it was today to come as a guest speaker at the IPB annual meet, where got an opportunity to meet all your center heads, the team, the core team at Chandigarh. It was amazing to see the dynamism and enthusiasm and the kind of bondage that is existing as a team as a whole. I must compliment and congratulate the team at IPB for such an amazing and brilliant work which they are doing, particularly during the times of COVID last year, when things were going out of the hand and it was unparalleled and unprecedented pandemic conditions. In spite of all that, their figures and numbers are showing a brilliant achievement during the current closure. Coming back to our association with the Institute of Professional Banking, my name is Professor KDS Bedi and I am the Vice President at Chitkara University. We are extremely privileged to associate with IPB as our academic partners to the college that I head, Chitkara College of Sales and Marketing, where we have MBA, BFSI as one of the sectors to cater out of the 4 sectors that we have at this college. The whole academic delivery, achievement, learning outcomes are given to Institute of Professional Banking. This happened last year for a batch of 40 students. And I must convey my happiness and the gratitude for this wonderful team which did so remarkably well, that all the 40 students who were entrusted to IPB for their academic delivery not only completed their fantastic program by way of a course, but also got very good placements in most of the private banks. And majority of them were girls who were so delighted to be placed in these banks for the operational jobs. Hats off to the team. And fortunately this year, the number is even bigger. This year, we have entrusted 52 students of MBA Sales and Marketing with BFSI specialization to IPB again. And their academic delivery almost finished by 31st of March, just recently last week, and are now they all preparing for their placements. So not only the academic, but their placement record is phenomenally good. And I'm sure that in future also we'll go a long way, and we hope to see it happening in the future, and I can only wish them good luck. And it was amazing to come here as a guest speaker along with the stalwarts and the distinguished people of the City Beautiful. You know, here meeting everybody in this conference was brilliant. That probably I can write a success story here for the kind of bondage and the mission and vision that they carry, because of people who have held the positions in the banking sector in the helms of the affairs. We have the guidance of the chairman, Sardar Harpal Singh Ji. We have the guidance of Sardar Jasbir Singh Ji. We have a young entrepreneur, the managing director, Mr. Gursimran Singh, his dynamic team, and I can wish them all good luck and thank you so much.